Hello everyone, today we will be reviewing the Nike Adapt BB 2.0 that just dropped or is dropping tomorrow for All-Star Game weekend. Here's a view of the box. It's a pretty huge box. Take a look. Nothing special. Alright, so personally, right now I don't have a professional camera. I'm using my iPhone right now, and I don't have a tripod for it either. So I'm gonna be holding the phone as I go through the shoes. Alright, so now we're going to unbox it. Take out those straps from the side. Voila. Nothing special behind that. Got the kicks here. Pull them out. Let's take a look at them. Look at the soles. The clean soles. Nice and blue. Nice and blue. So you have that there. Let's put that right there right now. Take out the other one. Just about the same. Take a look at the inside. Same icy sole. For those that like looking at the paper, here it is. It says Nike version 2.0 2020, year 2020. So yeah. Right on top of where the shoe paper is at, you have this thing right here. So I think just take it out. Let's take a look on what is inside of it. All right, so you just end up like that. And voila, it looks like power brick, charging cable for the shoes. If and when you remove the paper, this is what is inside. Has a guidebook. I believe it's for maybe it's for the charging stuff. I'll have to read it later. Below the shoe paper, which I took out, you have this. Oh, it's for the charger. It's for charging the shoes. Okay, well yeah, now you know. You have this under there, and it's for the shoes. It has Nike Adapt inside. So back to the shoes. Here's a further detailed look at them. You have version 2.0 on there. Can't really get to 2.0, but it says that Nike Adapt BB year 2020. Power lacing system is what that says. That's pretty much all of the review. The shoe feels amazing. What I like the most is the sole bottom, the icy sole. Feels great, and I mean, it just looks great. Same thing for the top of the shoe. This feels great. I don't know what type of material to call it, but it feels very soothing. I mean, it feels nice. I like it. Something different from with the shoes I own. I wanted to do an on-feet look, but I don't plan on wearing them just yet. So that will probably come in the future. Depends when I undead stock them. So for now, this is the look you guys are going to get. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I try to get just right into the review and not to waste a lot of time, I don't like to stretch out videos for long. But anyways, yeah, like, subscribe, thank you.